Do you sweat or not? How is your urination? Do you urinate more in the morning or more at night? How is your bowel movement? What is the bowel movement like? Is it well-formed or not well-formed? And for women, what is the menstruation cycle? And then the sleep. What time do you fall asleep? Is it easy for you to fall asleep? Do you wake up in the middle of the night? Do you wake up early? Do you wake up feeling tired? These are the patterns that we can see in ourselves, but we ignore it. A lot of us ignore it. I like to simplify things. That's why I picked Chinese medicine to practice. And I feel that the philosophy of traditional Chinese medicine is about simplify things. First, you need to identify your pattern. I think a lot of the problem is that we don't understand ourselves very well. And there really isn't a class, from the beginning of our educational years, is that how do we know ourselves? If I ask anybody, like, what is your bowel pattern? 8 out of 10 people would say, I don't know, it's regular. However, that regular is like, well, I go to the bathroom every other day. That's regular, but you eat every day, right? So maybe that's not very regular for you. Maybe you have some struggle. And it takes a while for me to dig into their story and find out, actually, you're really packing yourself too much. Either it's too much stress, too much food. So there's that qi stagnation that we need to promote the qi flow so that you can have an even better bowel pattern. I don't know how many hours of sleep I need. I just feel tired whenever I wake up. Are you really listening to your body and go to bed the time that you're supposed to? A lot of people don't do that. So I feel that, yes, in the society that promote high achievement, I admire that because I think humans are amazing to build buildings, railways, airplane, and even AI nowadays. However, when we really go back to what we need, a lot of people really don't understand. They will look out for the advice from the health guru, but when we really look at what we need, I don't find a lot of people really understand or can answer that question. So I feel that simplified life is very important. But how do we do that? Of course, you're gonna ask. I think finding your own pattern of life is very important. Like I know that some of you probably work 12, 16 hours a day, which I feel amazing. However, when is the time that you feel tired? When is the time you feel energized? When is the time that your body say, hey, you know what, I'm not very happy? And then also, one of the things that in Chinese medicine, which is one of the most important philosophy, is that what is the pattern of nature? Because human lives the best when we follow the pattern of nature. I know that the climate change has been pretty drastic, but if we look at the past history, it was drastic in the past, and humans still able to adapt to it. So find a pattern of yourself and the nature are very important. You can still be busy, but when it's out of the pattern, out of the rhythm, then we need to go back and say, do I really want to live this way? Or maybe I should make some adjustment. This comes back to the traditional Chinese medicine diagnosis method, is that there are 10 questions that we need to ask. And some of the questions are very interesting, like the sweating. Do you sweat or not? How is your urination? Do you urinate more in the morning or more at night? How is your bowel movement? What is the bowel movement like? Is it well-formed or not well-formed? And for women, what is the menstruation cycle? And then the sleep. What time do you fall asleep? Is it easy for you to fall asleep? Do you wake up in the middle of the night? Do you wake up early? Do you wake up feeling tired? These are the patterns that we can see in ourselves, but we ignore it. A lot of us ignore it because we don't feel that it's important. So I encourage you to, starting from now, that kind of look at your own pattern and write your own story, because these are valuable information you can share with your TCM doctor or functional medicine doctor. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.